This is our American dream. Riding on the ragged edge of existence. Boundless and free on highways and back roads that wander through the stunningly diverse country that we call home. The dream beckons us forward, whispering to us as we ride down unmarked roads, to places that once perched on the edges of our imaginations. Our lives are a rose-stained montage of beautiful and ordinary moments, deeply meaningful and desperately fleeting. Our stories are not fairy tales or fiction, rather true and honest experiences, brought to life by our desire to chase down the American dream. From sunrise to sunset, from sea to shining sea. To each of us, the dream is different and distinct, but it has a common purpose: to show us what might be, to pull back the veil of the ordinary, to reveal something extraordinary, to take us to all those places we have not yet been. To show us we can do more, see more, feel more, be more. It's the dawn of a new era at Harley-Davidson. Together we dream, and united we ride.